Hey everybody, Ross with Coins and Coffee here, bringing y'all another penny box hunt. We have customer wrapped rolls again, so we have a whole box, that's 50 rolls. And we're going to be looking for any wheat cents, hopefully might find Indian head penny, and we're going to check for any kind of errors. We've got microscope and scale. Let's see if we get any good finds, and I'll bring you in on the first one. And on roll 3 of the box, we've got a repunched mint mark. This is 1988D, and let's go ahead and zoom in on that mint mark. That can show you what to look for. So right here, you can see the first D, and then there was a repunched D on top of it. So on VarietyVista.com, you can go in and find all different kinds of errors and repunched mint marks that aren't always going to be in the big red book. And this one is going to be listed as a 1988D RPM 002. So this is where the extra D is west of the original. So the original here at the bottom, and then this D being west of that first D. And then also in roll number 3, first wheat cent. Pop it on out. And we have 1945 out of Philadelphia. Let's just check the rest of this roll, see if there's any other goodies. Nope, that's it. Not a bad start for the third roll. Roll number 5 is going to get us our second wheat penny, 1957D. Well, I think we're starting a pretty good pace right here. Just rolled number 6, and I've got a third wheat penny. Let's see, it's a little hard to make out, but I believe it's a 1953 Denver. Let's put it on the microscope and get that year down. Yeah, 1953 Denver. All right. Third wheat penny, only 6 rolls in. Roll 13, got the fourth wheat cent. This one a little bit earlier from 1930. Oh, that's not too bad. All right, 13 rolls in and 4 wheat pennies. Roll 21 is going to bring us wheat penny number 5. Let's see. 1942, Philadelphia. Let's see if there's anything else. Well, I got y'all here. Nope. Alright, 5 wheat pennies so far, and just under halfway there. So, who knows, we might be pacing 10 wheat pennies. Let's hope so. Roll 23 gets us wheat penny number 6, and it is extra crusty. Oh, I know you can't even make out the wheat back on that, but I saw the date. Yep, you can see a 1944 on there. Being that it's so crusty, let's see if it's a magnetic one. Nope. So 1943 pennies are the steel, since copper was scarce during World War II, and as a transitional error in 1944 there were still some steel pennies being made. So if you have any 1944 pennies that get picked up on a magnet, you got something there. Alright, back to the box, and it's a crusty one, but it's number 6. They just keep on coming. Roll 26. Wheat penny number 7. It's 1948. A little bit of a later year. Let's see if there's anything else in this roll. Nope. All right, that's number 7, and we have 24 rolls to go. And just a few moments later, roll 27, and wheat penny number 8. And it's a last year, 1958D, but still a wheat penny. Now I just noticed in that same roll, there's number 9. And 1947, is a mint mark? Yeah, 1947D. Makes number 9. Well, let's just check this before we go on to the next one. Maybe we'll get lucky and hit a third one. Nope, not too bad. And these last couple of rolls I've been hitting, I've been pulling out lots of copper. And it's almost been 1 wheat penny each roll. So I think we just hit a really nice sweet spot. Alright, let's try to find number 10. This box isn't quitting. Roll 29. I'm going ahead and open it. And what do I see? Boom. Wheat ender. So we're going to do this roll live. Alright. So, there, look, 3, 4, oh, wow. Alright. Let's start at this end. A little copper pile. I think I might have hit a collection dump. That is insane. I have never, ever seen this many wheat pennies in a roll. Alright. Let's try separating the rest of these out. Might not have been a collection dump, might have been just a really old jar of pennies that someone was cashing out at the bank, because bank's trying to get everybody to cash out now, bring in their coins rather to cash in. That's a 59D, so put that to the side to check the mark, and let's start lining up these wheat cents. This is insane. And it's like they're all in one row, and I promise you these are not, I didn't make this roll. I know it looks suspect because there's so many of them. That's all that, and then a 2006 in there. Alright, that's the copper. These are the pitches. Now let's see, we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Is that right? 4, 7. Yeah, 22 wheat cents in one roll. That's almost half the roll. And one of them was on the end. Alright, now let's flip these over and we can see dates. Alright, let's start here. 45, 49, 58, 56, 54, I'll just stack them by decade. 52, 50, 56D, 54, 55. Can we only be so hopeful? Nah. Alright. Put that in the pile. Come over here, got a 36. Alright, it's a little younger. 46, 53, 42, 52, 1910. Wow. That is the youngest wheat penny in the bunch. That's a second year wheat penny. They started in 1909. Not bad. Look at those ears. Those ears are in great shape. Check out this one. A little bit of wear on just that outer edge, but man, for 1910, I'd say that's pretty darn good. A little bit of dirt right there, but hey, that's all right. All right, 57, another 57, 51, 46, 56. That one's a little rough to see. Come back on. All right. I can make out a 3. So 3, maybe a 5 or a 6. I think that's a 5. We'll say 1935. Put that over here. So 1910, 30s, 40s, 50s out of one roll. And we're just going to do the next one live too. Because why not? Alright. I see red. Red and brown. That's some good colors. Alright. Not seeing anything yet. Boom. There we go. 1945. Alright, let's just push these to the side and let's keep doing it. Let's do another one. Let's keep doing them until we stop finding them. This one looks a lot younger, so we might stop on this one. Yep, that looks like it stops on that one. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this up, and we'll get back to hunting it regular and bring you in on the next one. But man, that upped the count big time. That was 23, what, 24? So we're over 30 wheat pennies in this one box. Farming for that wheat. Roll 37 is going to give us wheat penny 33. 1956 out of Denver. Let's go ahead and check the rest of the roll. Alright, put it here with the rest. Can we hit 40? We have 13 rolls left to go. And roll 39 and wheat cent 34. That's a 1941 out of Denver. Let's check the rest of the roll. Nope, I don't think we're going to be seeing another roll like that one earlier. But we have a really decent count going. Back to the box. Alright, some last minute magic right here. Roll 47 is going to bring us wheat penny number 34. I saw it as I was laying them down. Yep, there it is. That's 1946, Philadelphia. Let me just go ahead and quick check the rest of this roll, see if there's anything else. Nothing else left from that roll, but another one to add to the count. It's been a great box. Alright, and after going through the contents of roll 38, I found something that I found at the very beginning. A 1988D with a repunched mint mark. And that's going to be the same one that I got earlier. How weird is that? It was, and I believe the third roll of the box started with 1988D RPM 2, and the third to last roll is going to end with a 1988 RPM 2. You can't make that up. Alright, well that's it for this box, and what a box it was. We ended up with 35 wheat pennies. I pulled out 10 2009s. These are a low mint year, so I'll pull them out and keep the nice ones. Had a really nice 1961D. The two 1988D RPM 2s. And this guy that I'm not 100% on. So what we have here is a 1984, and we're looking for the DDO extra earlobe. Now, this looks like an extra earlobe right here, but there's two varieties. There's one where there's the small chip next to the earlobe, which is going to be west of the earlobe and doesn't come underneath like this is. And then there's the other one where it's most of this side of the ear that comes down. So all right here is going to be an extra ear. So we can definitely tell it's not that. And let's zoom in on this. So, I'm not sure about that. What do y'all think? Is this where the ear is ending and this is where the doubling begins? Or is this the whole ear and this is just a scratch that got into it? I don't know. By how generous this box has been, I wouldn't be surprised if this is a 1984 DDO. I'm gonna keep this and research it a little bit more. But anyway, this box is done. Thank y'all so much for watching. It was a blast to hunt, and I'll see y'all next time.